Hello everyone, this is Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce the name of this Ivory Coast player. Oumar Diakité. Oumar Diakité. Oumar Diakité. Oumar Diakité. Oumar Diakité. Oumar Diakité plays for the Ivory Coast national football team as a center forward or right winger. He is known for quick acceleration and pressing defenders, direct attacking runs behind the back line, good movement in the penalty area, high work rate pressing from the front, improving finishing consistency. He is used mainly as a striker off the bench, a pressing forward in high intensity games, a rotation option behind more experienced forwards. Oumar Diakité. Oumar Diakité. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation. See you in the next pronunciation video.